knee replacement surgery has now come of age and is available frequently in many centers. However, some new interesting developments include titanium nitride coated implant, which has not reported any incidence of metal sensitivity. Even though metal sensitivity is rare, but even in patients where you find that patient is sensitivity to metal, this is an ideal implant to use. In addition, now the cementless fixation of knee replacement is gaining traction in the developed countries, and in our own center we have started performing these. These are wonderful operations to be done on select patients after choosing the ideal patient for this particular operation. Advantage being that in younger patients especially, when and if you need to revise these later for wear and tear, there is minimal damage to the residual bone, and revision surgery in such cases becomes easy and more reproducible. So these happen to be the more trending new developments in knee replacement which are available with us, and we are using them on day-to-day basis.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.